had a door that keeps sticking? Either it won't open right or it doesn't even close? Well, today I'll show you several different tools that you can use to fix that problem. And they're also good for any other woodworking projects that you may have. Now, the first one that I want to talk about is called a hand planer. Now let me show you what the hand planer does. Basically, it has a blade right here on the bottom, and this is what's used to either shave or plane your wood. Now, depending on the depth that you needed shaved off your wood, you can adjust that blade by turning this knob right here. See, this allows me to adjust the blade just like that to get the depth of the cut that I need. Now I've adjusted the blade to give it a deeper cut so that you'll be able to see the difference. Now this is an electric planer. It does basically the same thing as your hand planer, only better. And this is an especially good tool to use on problem doors. Let me show you what I mean. There's several great things about this tool. The first thing that I want to tell you about is the knob adjustment. Now this allows you to adjust the depth of your blade in a snap. It's quick and easy, just like that. And then this piece here is an attachment, and it's called a fence. What you use the fence for is to cut right here on the back side of your door so that it will close properly. Now to do that, you can adjust this fence. All you need to do is loosen the knobs, and then you're able to move it up and down. Now this lets you adjust the angle of the cut that you need. Now you saw me adjusting the fence to the bevel or the angle that I need. What's great about this is you press this fence flush up against the edge of the door, and that's cutting right here on the back side. Notice right here, see where it's slightly raised? This is assuring me that I am cutting the back side and I'm not doing anything to the front part of the door, and that's what we want. But it's always a good idea before you make your cut, go ahead and test it on a scrap piece of wood just to make sure that you do have the right angle. Let me show you. Hold this lever right here, and that pushes the fence flush up against the surface. Because of all the adjustments that we made, this will give you much nicer results than if you just used your hand planer. And it's a lot less work. Now you can see the nice bevel that it put on the door, and that's what we needed. It's got a great surface too, but you know, if you're using a hand planer, you may have just a few areas that you need to sand. I've got a great tool to show you that'll fix that. It's a belt sander. This is the tool that I was telling you about. This is a belt sander. This is a great tool to use for any sanding on any type of wood that you need, whether it be boards, the doors, tabletops, you name it. Also, this tool has a lot of really neat features. For one, it has an adjustable handle. This is for your convenience so that you're comfortable while holding the sander flat against the surface. It also has an adjustable speed control. Now let me tell you real quick, this tool is powerful, so be sure you have a good hold on it. You might want to start with the low speed. Also, this bag is really nice because this will catch any sawdust and help to keep your work area clean. One more really neat thing is in time, your belt's going to wear out, but it's just a snap really to change it. Let me show you how. Like I said, this is really easy. All you do is lift this old belt out, just like this. Okay, now let me show you something about the new belt. Here's a tip for you. You see these arrows? Let me show them to you. Right here on the inside. If you'll line these up going the same direction as this arrow here, that's the correct way. A lot of times people just put the belt on and they don't pay any attention to the arrows. And then they wonder why it breaks or it splits. That's why. So this just slips right back down on just like the other one came off. Get that over just like that. And then push your lock down. And that's it. Now let me show you what a nice smooth finish this will give. It really is an amazing tool. No splinters here. Today I've shown you 3 really good tools, and they all have excellent features. Now all you have to do is decide which tool is right for your project.